You are watching Cindy's channel. Shh. I'm Cindy. So,咩啊？
Hi guys.
Okay, sorry, 我冇睇。Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Happy Mother's Day. I'm preparing to do my works here. Later on, I have to drive to my grandma's home and then to pick her up and then to come to my home and then maybe she will play the mahjong and I don't know. So let's get started. Let's go. This is my first time drawing on the iPad, so it's quite nice. Oh my goodness. Mom, 你睇下，呢個係第一次喺 iPad 度畫畫，幾靚。So now I will do the chiffon cake first, and so it's quite easy, but it takes time to bake. I'm not sure if we have brown sugar or what. Can I use the white sugar? I don't have brown sugar. And now I'm gonna add Bailey's. Ouch, so painful. So this will be the Bailey's. Bailey's. I will miss it. Just add some. So now I'm changing the cake color into pink. Let's see if this works or not. 先因為我要隻蛋白喺呢度。macaron 咧其實係好易整嘅嘢。哇！troublemaker. When you come in and then you like troublemaker. I don't know why, but the feel is like you are the troublemaker. Oh my god. Oh my god. My hair stuck. Oh my god. OK。啊嗱，呢個咧外賣唔係賣上嚟。
哇！心形啊！
仲有冇啊？大嘅。
喂，咁樣擺咧，成個 Mickey 喎。
我去邊好？呢邊嘅呢邊咯，係咯。呢個啦，呢個呢邊啦，我隻狗唔喺邊度？隻狗喺我仔我哋啊！你唔悶嘅人唔招出嚟嘅。好。買貓出啦就嚟。我揸實線啦而家。我聽電話啦！誒，你得唔得㗎？得唔得㗎？做個開心快樂人，耶！唔係因為聽日先至食啊嘛，所以我咪聽日先。赤峰蛋糕嚟。Guys, happy Mother's Day and my mission completed. Let's celebrate. I'm super tired and sleepy right now. It feels like very amazed that I did it. Oh my god. This is kind of a very challenging thing for me. In the beginning, I just want to practice how to make a bowl cut. It will be 4 mothers coming to my home for a dinner. It's a very good practice time for me. That's my first time go to the flower market. Yeah, it's quite a great experience until the midnight. Then I finished 4 buckets. When they present finally, it's super nice. It's like a very, very great surprise for the 4 mothers, and I was like, oh, so happy. For Yeah, but I can't imagine the process is quite long. Yeah, and finally I did it. It's quite nice. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys will enjoy it and that you guys will like it. It's time for me to have my me time. See you guys next video. Remember to subscribe, share, and like this video, and please give me a big thumbs up. The next video is coming soon. Stay tuned.